Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious Kerala-style omelette. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, finely chopped onion, and a green chili for a little kick. Don't forget a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of salt, and a few fresh curry leaves. We'll be cooking this in 1 tablespoon of fragrant coconut oil for that authentic flavor. Now let's get everything ready. Start by finely chopping your onion, green chili, and fresh curry leaves. In a separate bowl, crack your 2 eggs and whisk them thoroughly with the turmeric powder and salt until the mixture is light and frothy. Then, carefully fold in all your chopped vegetables and curry leaves, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the egg mixture. This creates a vibrant and flavorful batter. It's time to cook our omelette. Heat 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat until it shimmers. Pour the entire egg mixture into the hot pan, gently tilting it to spread the batter evenly across the surface. Let it cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the edges begin to set. Then, carefully flip it and cook the other side until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious Kerala-style omelette is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately, perhaps alongside some coconut chutney or a simple tomato sauce for a complete meal. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro or a dash of black pepper makes a lovely garnish. This flavorful dish is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a light dinner. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.